In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate and customize your website using the Wix editor by following a few simple steps on Google Chrome. We'll transform your site's menu and give it a look and feel that aligns with your brand or personal style. Let's dive right in. To start, ensure you're using Google Chrome for a smooth and consistent experience with the Wix editor. Open your Wix editor by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you want to edit. Once you've opened the editor, you'll notice a series of items on your left-hand side. This is your main toolbar. The navigation bar is your website's control center, so click on it to begin making changes. The navigation bar is crucial, as it helps your visitors explore your site seamlessly, and making it clear and intuitive is key to a positive user experience. After you've clicked on the navigation bar, you should see an option for Manage Menu. Clicking this allows you to add, remove, or reorder the items in your navigation menu. Want to streamline your pages? Here, you can remove any menu items that may be unnecessary. Looking to expand your offerings? Add new menu items to guide your visitors to new and exciting areas of your site. Reordering can be just as important. Think about what you want your visitors to see first, or the logical sequence of the pages as they navigate through your site. Once your menu is arranged to your liking, it's time to give it some visual flair. This is where the Design option comes into play. By selecting Design, you'll have access to tools that allow you to customize the fonts, colors, and overall layout of your navigation bar. The font can say a lot about your brand. Whether you're going for something sleek and modern or traditional and elegant, choose a style that aligns well with your overall theme. Colors can be powerful. Ensure they contrast well against your site's background to make your menu readable. Lastly, the layout should be intuitive, allowing your visitors to naturally browse through your offerings without confusion. In the final step, once you're satisfied with your edits, it's essential to save your progress. Click on the Save button to ensure no work is lost. You've put effort into making these adjustments, and it would be a shame to lose them. After saving, don't forget to click Publish to make your changes live. Your changes won't be visible to your visitors until you do so. And that's it! You've now learned how to manage your Wix website's navigation menu, customize its appearance, and make these updates live. By following these steps, you can ensure that your website is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, offering a great experience for anyone who visits. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!